Hello students, we have been discussing exercise 7.2, that is integration by substitution method. So we have already completed up to question number 3. Now we are going to solve the question number 4, that is evaluate integration sin x into sin cos x into dx. So let us solve it. Solution: to solve this question, we suppose cos x equal to t. Now differentiating both sides, we have minus sin x dx equal to dt. From here we have sin x dx equal to minus dt. Now substituting these values, that is cos x equal to t and sin x dx equal to minus dt in the given integration, that is integration sin x sin cos x dx, we have integration sin x sin cos x dx equal to, what we have, minus integration sin of t dt. Now we know that integration of sin t equal to minus cos t. So from here we have minus cos t plus c. Now from here, cancelling the minus, we have finally cos t plus c. Now substituting the value of t, that is t equal to cos x, we have finally cos x plus c, which is the required answer for this problem. Okay, now let's move to the question number 5. So in the question number 5, we have given evaluate integration sin ax plus b cos ax plus b into dx. So let's solve it. Look at the solution. We have given integration sin ax plus b cos ax plus b into dx. Okay, now we little bit rearrange these terms with multiplying 2n divided by 2. Okay, to 2 পূৰণ আৰু হৰণ কৰি পেলাই আমি পাম কি 2 sin ax plus b cos ax plus b into dx divided by 2. From here we have, applying the formula, 2 sin x cos x equal to sin 2x. We have, what do we have, 1 by 2 integration sin 2 ax plus b into dx. Since 2 sin ax plus b cos ax plus b equal to sin 2 ax plus b. Okay, now let 2ax plus b equal to t. Now differentiating both sides, we have twice a dx equal to dt. From here we have dx equal to dt by 2a. Now substituting dx equal to dt by 2a and twice x plus b equal to t in the integration 1 by 2 sine 2ax plus b into dx. We have finally 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a integration sine t dt. Okay, now calculating, we have, that is integrating, we have 1 by 4a into minus cos t plus c. Now substituting the value of t, that is 2ax plus b, we have finally 1 minus 1 by 4a cos 2 into ax plus b plus c, which is the required answer for this problem. Okay, now moving to the next question, that is question number 6. In question number 6, we have given evaluate integration root over ax plus b into dx. Okay, so let's solve it. Given integration is integration root over ax plus b into dx. To solve this integration, we let ax plus b equal to t. Now differentiating both sides, we have a dx equal to dt. Now from here we have dx equal to dt by a. Okay, now substituting these values, that is ax plus b equal to t and dx equal to dt by a in the given integration, that is integration root over ax plus b into dx, we have finally root over t dt by a. So since 1 by a is a constant, so we write 1 by a outside the integration sign, that is 1 by a integration root over t into dt. Now integrating root over t, we have 1 by a into t whole to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. Now on simplifying, we have 1 by a t to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Now from here we have 2 by 3a, and substituting the value of t, that is ax plus b, we have finally 2 by 3a whole into ax plus b whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c, which is the required answer.